Hey everybody, today we're going to continue working on our KYOSHO Outlaw Rampage Pro Kit. And we're going to be working on the shocks, or they call them dampers as well. And let's get right into it. So we have the front and rear dampers, we have the shock oil, and we have the screws. I'm going to try to keep these separated. All right, so I have the front dampers right here. And the first thing we need to do is take off the spring. So all I'm going to do is compress the spring, take off the cup, take off the spring. We'll set those aside. And now we're going to untwist this. And going to set it on here. It fits perfectly. That's good. Okay, now we're going to fill these up with the shock oil that was included. And we're going to make sure all these are completely extended. And I'm going to try to make this flat. So let me get that out of here. Okay, and once it's full, you're going to work the piston up and down. All right, now we're just going to let this sit for about 20 minutes and we'll be right back. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and remove these bleed valves. Okay, again, let's work on these two at a time. We're going to take this and screw this back on tightly. Okay, we have a little bit of paper towel here, and we're going to compress this and see if anything comes out. It's a huge mess usually. All right. Okay, let's put this back on. Yeah. Make sure this is fully extended before putting the screw back on. Okay. Okay, and these are all full, ready to go. Go ahead and turn the page and put them back together. So let's take these and put the spring back on. And the cup. Very straightforward. Just like that. Okay, and we need to find these things here. They're already attached, so that's good. So they're already attached. So these two are still the front. And let's finish these two. So let's go ahead and install the front two first, and these are going to be these right here. Bring in the chassis. And so this hole is going to match up here, and the bottom is going to slide into this slot right here, and then the screw's going to go there. I believe the bottom is going to be a little bit more difficult, so I'm going to do that side first. Okay. Okay, and let's do the other side. All right, let's work on the back side, and it's going to be a longer screw, a 25mm screw on top, and then the shorter screw on the bottom. And we're going to use the last hole for now, right there. So it's going to be the shorter screw. And the top is going to go right there. So when you're putting this in, you need to make sure that this cup right here is all the way in like that. Otherwise, it won't go through. All right, we're ready. Pretty cool looking shocks. Let's fix that. Make sure everything's working. Looks really good. All right, I think we're done. We're done building the shocks or the dampers for this Outlaw Rampage Pro kit. And I think next time we're going to be finishing up with putting together the body. So I better get to painting this as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.